I love the convenience of this location. Just a step away from the TTDI MRT station, 3 minutes walk from my favorite cafe, and 5 minutes walk to buy the freshest produce in the Klang Valley. Can you guess where I am today? If you guessed the residence at TTDI, you got it right. Hi, I'm Abby, and this is my first ever video with Yin Homes. I hope you like my top rental picks for the month. I chose this home because it's just so practical for the family. The rooms are tucked away from the living dining area, so if you have guests come to visit, there is still privacy for the rest of the family. I love that the master bedroom is bright and airy, just elevates your mood. There is a large kitchen with a helper's quarters that is large enough for her to do all the household chores and rest comfortably without intruding into your living space. For me, my biggest added bonus is the huge balcony. It overlooks the golf course and the KL skyline, and I would create my own breakfast nook and little garden right here. This lovely home is up for rent at 4,300 ringgit. If you are interested to find out more, head to our website today. See you soon for my next video.